Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are about to do a science experiment about volcanoes. And then we're about to use paint and clay.
And water bottles.
Yeah, empty. I had to do that.
So we were gonna get the kit, but it didn't come in time. So we actually are gonna end up making our own homemade volcanoes.
Yeah.
Okay, so we will actually be trying two things. We're gonna put Coke and Mentos in one of the volcanoes to see if it'll erupt like that big, and then the next one we're gonna actually put I think it's baking soda or baking powder.
Baking soda?
I
Baking
think it's
soda.
baking.
Really?
Baking soda.
What I think it's baking soda, and then you put in the vinegar, and it's supposed to cause like a small eruption. But we want to see a big eruption, so we're gonna try the Coca-Cola and Mentos.
Yeah.
So yes, guys, you will be seeing our process of putting everything together.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So we have our clay.
Yeah. And this, we have our color.
And we have our paint and our
We
bottles.
have our water bottles.
Yep.
We're supposed to have 4 water bottles.
Yeah.
Oh, guys, we forgot to show you guys. Booyah.
Paintbrush.
Paintbrushes.
Yeah.
And we're missing 1 water bottle. Oh, okay, we got it.
We got it.
One more bottle.
Okay, he doesn't want to give it to me, so it's all good.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. So let's see how we're gonna do this, guys.
So each of us
I've never actually done a homemade volcano before. Like, at first I was just gonna be like, yeah, let's just put it in the water bottle and let it blast off. But that's kind of boring, guys. So we're gonna actually make it look like a actual volcano.
Yeah.
So here's some clay for you.
I think I used clay before.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I know you use Play-Doh all the time. Here's some for you.
Yeah. I think I actually. Yeah, I used to love Play-Doh.
Here's a little bit for you.
For this today?
For the
Or maybe
baby.
not. Let me see a water bottle. Alright, so I think what we can do is
That's yours.
like make it smaller, I guess. Oh, I know you guys are gonna hate us for this sound.
Yeah.
This is how you guys do the bottles though if you do not have small bottles. No reason to go buy small bottles if you guys have
Yeah,
big
we
bottles.
hope this works because we're really just like free playing. Do we have like tape? No, we don't.
I got Play-Doh.
Ready for it?
I need help.
Bottle.
I need help.
I don't know if this is enough clay.
I think I'm big enough.
I hope so.
That's it. See?
You guys stick your finger in the middle, baby,
Oh, like
and
this?
make it, yeah.
No one sounds like the bottom. That's my idea.
Oh,
So,
cool.
What?
I like it already.
Mommy, play.
I see it. You're gonna have a volcano pretty soon, baby.
Oh yeah, we'll use that baking soda.
Baking soda.
Mhm.
I thought we were using baking soda.
Nah, it's something else, baby, something else. We are gonna use baking soda, though. I was thinking of a song. Oh,
Well, my man's digging you more clay if you want to be able to put it all around the bottle.
I think mine looks pretty cool, guys. Interesting. Alright, so this is my volcano.
Actually, I kind of like it.
You like mine?
Yeah.
Alright, can I help you with yours?
Yeah, help me. I want mine to look like yours.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'm flattered. I thought mine looked crazy.
Well, I like it.
Thank you. Alright, let's
Take off this clay out.
alright, yeah, let's take the clay off first, okay?
You got top.
You have the most clay out of everybody, isn't it? Interesting.
Alright, so we're putting the clay around the box.
Yeah,
What do you mean?
like mine.
Yeah. I asked if I could.
Yeah, is this enough clay?
No.
Does it have to go all the way around?
Yes.
Oh.
That's what makes it a true volcano. I don't think we actually have enough clay, but we're not supposed to cheers on camera. Ezzy, I think you need a new bottle, man. I don't know what happened.
Yeah, we need a new one. I'll get one.
I will get
one.
Oh, I didn't put it on the bottom because I wanted to actually stand up.
So you?
Yeah,
For yours?
for all of them.
Oh.
How are they going to stand if they have clay on the bottom?
Just like that.
Can we just squeeze it down?
Stand.
Yeah, squeeze it down.
It won't stay up, especially when it's erupting.
I would squeeze it down.
I think we need to like make a platform down. The clay
Yeah.
look like a platform like this, like a volcano.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Just so we can
But
stand.
we're going to erupt it in the bathroom, so the bathtub will hold it up for the most part. So.
Yeah.
Do you not want to
Because
put it
this
up?
is my channel.
Okay, well, then don't put
Is that what you?
Just leave it.
You
Don't
said
mind
it's
some other
your
way for other
channel.
volcanoes.
It's everyone's.
You want your own channel?
I wish I did.
What would you talk about if you had only your own channel?
We could share our Twitch channel together. Dreammaker93. Follow me. YouTube and Twitch
Fly
for
me.
more videos. Exclusive.
And
Modern
subscribe
Warfare
for
2.
me.
Fortnite for him.
Yeah.
Splatoon for him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fly me.
We got
Subscribe all my
these guys.
video views.
Watch
Subscribe.
Dreammaker93.
Yeah.
Here we go, guys. This one's mine.
And
It's
this
just
one is
mine.
mine.
This one's
Mine.
Ezra's. I think Ezra has the biggest one so
Yeah.
far.
This one's Enoch.
Which one's Enoch?
Yeah, I have the
All right,
biggest
show
one
them
so
yours.
far.
Show them Enoch.
yours, Enoch.
Say this is mine.
Say this is mine. Enoch. This is Enoch. Say this is Enoch. Hold
Yep.
yours.
Mine
This is
just.
right here.
Okay,
No.
hold on. Let
What you
Enoch
doing?
share.
No.
Say this is mine.
Mm.
Actually,
Enoch, show them
Show the camera.
your volcano.
Say this is
mine's
yours.
just taller.
He doesn't.
Oh, you want that one?
It's okay.
Okay, I'll take this one.
All right.
This is mine, guys.
So this is Ezra's. This is mine.
This is
That's
This
Enoch's.
is mine.
Good. Good job.
As you can
And
see, I
that's
didn't pass
me.
art class.
Mine.
I am not a designer, guys.
Mine.
Oh, that looks cool, Enoch.
This is
Alrighty, guys. So now we're about to take out the colors.
Yeah, we need black
We have black,
and
we
red.
have
Red.
green, red.
We have the perfect colors to use on.
We have pink and blue and purple, but I don't think we're gonna use this. We might use this. We're not gonna use white. So let's put that back.
We might use red, orange.
Alright, guys. Sorry. Woo. I have to find the brown paint. Okay,
Yeah.
so look, we have these colors to work with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have brown. We have red. We have orange.
And black.
We have green and black.
And pink.
No, I put the pink up.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so what color does everybody want their volcano to be?
Green.
I want mine to be red and black.
You want yours to be
Black.
green? I
Green.
kind of wanted mine to be green.
Oh, well, I'll take orange. then.
Black.
Orange. Okay.
Black
Does
and
anybody
red.
want brown?
I want black and red.
I want orange.
You want black and red? Okay, Enoch, you have brown then, buddy.
No, he said he want black.
Yeah, but I said I
He
wanted
said he
black
wanted it
first.
first.
Yeah.
Well, green.
Say brown. Good.
Because brown and black, because brown and black actually makes a lava because there's red lava.
Yep.
That's colored red.
Red.
And the volcano is colored with black.
Paintbrushes. All right.
Okay.
Which kind do you want here?
Hat. A red.
Pick up this one. Get a plate.
Okay, wait. Okay, wait. Thank you.
You gotta put it too. All right, I gotta put more paint
I'm
on
so
it. You gotta put more
excited.
paint. We only color one side.
Here, just let him try it by himself. I should have got some spray paint.
Yeah.
This would have been so much faster. Honestly, you're a genius for picking that paintbrush up.
Mm.
You,
This one?
yeah, because that one's getting the job done. Oh, good job. I like that volcano.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Orange.
Oh,
You
yeah.
like it?
I haven't finished with it.
I do too. Can I have a little bit of orange paint, guys?
Okay, now have orange.
You said you can't have it.
I can't have it.
It's okay.
Do you have the top to the orange?
Yeah.
I do white.
That will cost you $5.
Yay.
And fine.
Alright guys, we're gonna try to clean up a little bit of this paint before we go forward. Because, yeah. Make sure you guys have something to keep you guys from getting paint on your carpet
Yeah.
if it spills, or something to wipe your hands with. And also make sure you have like a plate, something you can dispose of, so that you don't have to use them on your permanent plates, guys. And make sure that you also
Yay.
keep paintbrushes.
Daddy
We'll
Short.
do a Daddy Short.
I want red.
That might be a sneak peek on what's coming next, guys. A Daddy Short video.
I want red.
He's been wanting me to do one.
No, it goes.
I want
Daddy
red.
shark, do, 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 Daddy shark, do, 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 Daddy shark, do, 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 Daddy shark.
Hey! Boom!
So he's ready, guys. We're gonna do the short video.
Don't want, like I said, it's gonna turn out perfect.
Whoa!
It's gonna turn
Look
out
at
perfect.
that right there.
Like I say, my volcano is gonna turn out perfect.
It is, baby.
Turn out.
Keep using that one. Keep using that one. Draw lines.
I need to put
Oh,
more red
look at
until-
you! Why do you guys put lava on your volcanoes?
So my volcano is lava.
Lava.
Wow, just my luck. Come on. Everybody loves when I get painted. Okay, so I found an issue in your volcano. Unfortunately, the liquid won't go in there because
I'm done with the
you
red.
closed it shut with the clay.
Yes, you will.
No, it
Daddy, look at
won't.
that.
Oh snap! I like your lava, Enoch.
Mama.
Ooh, I see it.
What about mine?
I love yours. Yours is so creative.
Mine
It's turning out just like lava.
It is.
Orange.
God.
So where are you guys?
Mommy.
Yeah, baby.
Orange.
This is
You
turning
got
out.
orange and red.
It's turning out like lava.
So where is your Enoch?
Don't eat it.
Enoch, I think you got enough orange, baby. Anyways, where are you guys' volcanoes based in?
Orange.
Mine's is in Hawaii. Where's yours?
Yeah.
Mine is
use
in
your
Africa.
orange.
It's brown.
Here.
Yours is in Africa?
Let me put some orange.
Or it could be in the jungle.
Oh, it's the orange.
Maybe.
Daddy.
Oh, this is cool. I'm gonna put some flowers.
This is cool.
Pink
Wow.
flowers.
This is
You
cool.
would say.
Wow. This is cool.
Since it's a
Wow.
Hawaiian. Put it on the inside
I
of
need
the
some
plate.
space.
No, just write your name on the inside of the plate.
If I want no red.
Alright guys, I'm gonna take mine to the bathtub.
Red.
Alright guys, so what we're doing now is putting the baking soda in each volcano.
Hi, guys.
We're putting the baking soda in each volcano.
These volcanoes look like they got snow on it, guys.
Yeah.
That's honestly something that I actually like. To be on the volcano makes it look better. Makes it look cooler, actually. Alrighty, guys. I am a magician.
No, you're messing mine up. Oh my gosh, mine looks a hot mess now.
But it's fine.
No, it's
it looks
not.
like the volcano just got a little snow.
Yes, it is. Come on, Mom. It looks fine.
You messed it up.
It's still orange and red and
I'm
green.
gonna cry.
Yay.
Alright,
Yay.
now let's see what happens.
Watermelon madness. Watermelon madness.
Come on, go get the
Alright,
vinegar.
now time for the magic. This is the magic. This is what you guys need. Baking soda, vinegar.
Bigger.
These are good two things to make an
Vinegar.
explosion, guys. If you want something more dangerous, put some pine sol.
Yeah.
Alright, guys.
Let's do it.
Let's do this. Alright, we're gonna start with mine. I want to test it out.
Start.
The floor is almost lava.
Bigger.
Oh! Explosion number
I
one.
think it's messing up the
Let's
clay.
Alright, let's save some for
Ah.
Ezzy's next. Ezzy's next. Oh man. Go on, do it again. One more time. One more time.
Ah, stinks.
Alright, let's try this. Okay. Alright, Enoch. Oh! His had the most. His took out.
I think yours had the most.
Oh! Hold on, how much we got?
Volcano eruption.
Mommy
Oh no!
mad-
Wait! We gotta get ready for this
Alright,
one.
guys, this one's Mommy Madness time. Mommy Madness. You guys ready?
This is how I
Alright.
feel when my kids wake me up at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Mommy Madness. Oh!
Ah!
That was a nice explosion. You want some more of yours? Alright, thank you too. Oh! Hold on, let's do it all as quick as we can. Let's get them all to go.
You
man.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, I was trying to do a finale, guys.
And that concludes our science experiment.